dish drying rack can be pulled down next to the sink. One of my interior designer friends once told me, Mufaddal, my client has spent a bomb on the modular kitchen that you gave us, but this rack used for drying the dishes on the platform looks like an eyesore and does not match the kitchen overall. That led me to this. This pull-out dish drying rack is in the carcass. It can be pulled down next to the sink area. You can wash your dishes, your crockery, your cutlery, keep it in these sections, very well organized. This drip tray can be used to drain out the water that accumulates over here. And especially for shorter people who cannot reach that height, this comes down for your convenience. You can pull it back once you are done and close this. So this removes you of all the clutter on the countertop with those dish racks. To know more about innovative ways to optimize your modular kitchen, come visit our experience center, follow our account and share this reel with someone who needs a new modular kitchen.